Welcome to Nagesh Logs. Today I have taken come two products. Long time I came back. I'm now full schedule busy. Please give forgive me because I am scheduled lot of work. Sorry. Today welcome back from first time will be back. Are one is MI Band 4. This one MI Band 4 and another one is this MI stand. See here, you can see this one MI band stand. First I will unbox this one and then I will put to stand this and then I will unbox it. Okay. Yeah, came for this camera. Here this is the MI tripod. They will call MI tripod for this one. Sorry, background do not adjust. I am in office. Okay. I don't know. When I will edit this, when I will schedule, when I will put it. I don't know. Okay. This is like this. It is cost me around 1100 or 1250. I will keep the descriptions. You can take. Second. This is. I have opened this one. Now I will go and get one box. In this box. In this box. In this box I will get one of the remote for this one. See, branded MI. See, you can see. Next I am opening this one stand. Okay, see here, paperwork. You can see paperwork. You can see how can we will use. I don't want this one. I'll put it back and come back. You can see I have not get it. My hand also. See, I have put it to tripod. It is so heavy tripod. Mobile also it is having heavy, and tripod also it is very heavy. It is not standing. Okay, now it is standing. Okay, now it is okay. Now it is okay. Next we will go to MI Band 4. Band 4. Please check it. This is good. MI Band 4. I have tried to take this one when it is released. I have tried lot. Okay. Please, I will give tripod and this one description. Please check it out. Band 4 features CMI Smart Band 4 innovations for everyone. AMOLED display color touch screen, heart rating motable, water up to 50 meters it is there. Music control it is new. Music control, it will come this way. India's number one wired band. See, water specifications, water tracking one. It is showing 2500 in MI image. In a MI store it is there on 2200 300 is there MRP, and it white. This one all black color it is. See, you can pass and take it. Okay, see here address also. Okay, come back. We are opening MI Band 4. we'll get one band. This is the band. And then wire. See here. Band 3 and band 4, it is very different. Okay. Open here. Yesterday I have opened and saw that this one. It is very good. Okay. Put it here and we'll try to see this one. I have charged it and tested it. It is working good only. I think I want to test some more days, then I can review it. I will check it. See, night mode. See, I can shift anything I want. Now I want to go backside. See, stopwatch, time resolution, time, searching. See, okay. Alarm. I can set brightness also. Okay, it is good. Nowadays it is gone good only. Okay, 10 seconds. Okay, what is this means? Time out. Next, tap on. I can say charge is 18%. You know, not right. Running some brightness. This one all it is there. Oh, we can play song also. So good. Wonderful. Okay. See, all alerts. I will test and I will come. Lot of work. I cannot do videos also. I think 6 months or 7 months over 1 year, I think over I have put a video. I am scheduled lot of works in office, and forgive me, from January 1st videos are coming. I will edit this one and schedule for January 1st 12 o'clock first video it will release. Okay, thank you. Okay, bye, see you soon.